18, thank you very much. Is avoiding that man because it happens to be someone special, not just one of her, you know. And one might think, little lollipop, that grandma here doesn't want to do anything that might make her genuinely happy. She's a grieving widow. She has a thing for black cotton. Soul 60s.
Oh, bless you.
I'm an idiot. Yes, but I'm a young idiot. All right, we'll go out. It'll be a disaster. Of course it will. That's why you can't stop smiling. It was a nice service. I suppose you didn't come.
No, they didn't come at all. Was anyone there?
I'm under investigation.
I heard. You're not my only friend in the pool.
Just got my friend. And there's always been there for you. Always done everything he can for you. I don't know what I'm gonna do now.
You're going to give us a smile.
I've only got two things in my life. My job and... You go be, Kathy.